You're gonna love the 2022 GMC Terrain. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This spacious Terrain offers a smooth, comfortable ride, plenty of options for cargo, user-friendly infotainment, advanced safety tech, and bold good looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, hands-free liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry. Practicality blends with distinctive style in this good-looking Terrain. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.